This is Nick from What the Gem, and in this one I'll show you a few things about the loupe and tweezers, so you use them right and you also look cool doing it. Starting from the basics might feel too basic, but it's important to do it right. These two tools are the absolute starting point of every gem examination. Most gem loupes are 10 times magnification. You can also find 20 or 30, but they're less practical because the field of view and depth of field gets tiny. If you think 10 times isn't much, remember, most gem microscopes go up to 40 to 60 times and give incredible detail. A loupe like this will do just fine for most inclusions, scratches, or chipped edges. Gem tweezers usually have a small groove so that the girdle can sit in it for a better grip. My teacher put this elastic band on mine. I'll show you why in a bit. Let's see how it works in practice and I'll explain what's happening along the way. Wipe the gem clean and grab it only as tight as needed. Hold the loupe a couple of centimeters, about an inch, from your eye and the stone about the same distance from the loupe. Depending on your dominant hand and eye, try different positions to find what works for you. I like placing my finger through the loupe's handle and using my thumb as a spacer against my cheek. Dominant hand holds the loupe to the dominant eye. Non-dominant hand holds the gem. Keep your other eye open and look forward. Don't try to focus both eyes on the gem, it won't work and you'll get tired. Make small adjustments until you're in focus. Touching your face helps stabilize everything. Now, the elastic band. I use it to gently tension the tweezers so they just barely hold the stone. If it's too tight, the gem can spring out and fly. For cabochons or large stones, tweezers may be awkward. Use your fingers. Thumb and middle works fine. You leave more fingerprints and sometimes block the light, but you'll get the hang of it. I try to use tweezers as much as I can, but I admit I sometimes drop the gem. You will inevitably drop gems, for sure. I do it all the time. Just make sure where you are, there are not too many places for them to hide when they fly away. Thanks for watching. For more content and exclusive videos, check out What the Gem on Patreon and TikTok. Links are in the description below. See you around.